I think it is more of like golf trips and Valentines, and it is perfectly well managed tournament, and nothing can be better than this. Like the golf trips manages it so well. Like we are completely big fan of golf trips, like how they manage it, and of course Valentines. Oh yes, 100%, no doubt about it. Like completely 100%, no doubt about it. I think straight through is like more like a honest or like a fair play thing, and which of course this kind of tournament which provides us the fair play is amazingly organized, and it is of course like stay true to the spirit of the golf, and stay true to yourself as an individual. It definitely evolves you in every manner. Thank you Valentine's, and thank you golf trips. Thank you, and good luck for future.
I think the most important thing I learned about the game of golf is you are competing against yourself, and you have to be fair. So it's all about fair play and being honest and staying true to yourself. So as I said, golf follows a principle. It's called a gentleman's game. That is, you stay true to yourself. I think it identifies very well with the game of golf. I think it's one of the greatest events. Probably I've been coming for the last 5 to 6 years now, and I won't miss it for anything. And it's a great association between golf trips and Valentine's. It goes well because it's one of the best tournaments one can ever participate in.
So for me, firstly, congratulations on a brilliant event. And then I think staying true would, for me, for this tournament mean a lot of things. Staying true to the game, staying true to the spirit of friendship we've developed over the years, and also staying true to our commitment of being here as friends. And all of us know each other now. It's a great event, and I look forward to it. I think the audience is perfect. All of us are whiskey lovers, and there's nothing like a good whiskey after a good game of golf. So it sort of adds up. And for me, in terms of choosing an audience, if I was a whiskey manufacturer with the quality and class of Valentine, I wouldn't choose another event than this one. Of course, I recommend the event because I've recommended it to so many friends. We've developed a friendship over the years. It's not just about the game of golf. It's about the banter, about the friendship, about the evenings, about all the fun and laughter after the game as well. So I would definitely recommend it.
So nicely managed by golf trips. I have been attending a lot of golf events, but nothing like this event. It's an event that motivates us so much. We prepare so hard, and it's like an event we look forward to for the whole year, and it's the best without any doubt. And it's promoting Valentine's is supporting, and I think the brand is getting really good promotion. Stay true to me as a golfer is that your individual self. You should stay true to yourself. It's the golf game which represents, and it's something which is so nicely associated with this game. It's in true sense of the golf.
Golf is something like very much related to real life. Like you got to be very patient. You also got to be very aggressive at times. Yes, that's how life goes on. Yeah, Valentine's event has been tremendous, and organizing it has been awesome. I've been playing this event for past 3 years and really attached to it. Yes, indeed. I would like to ask my friends to join me next year.
fantastic event. I've been coming here since 2008 and many events. First of all, let me thank the organizers, Madhav and Ajit. We've had good times. And over the years, we've evolved into friends. And I think the job they're doing and the rest is super. Full satisfaction in terms of the stay, the hospitality, and the golf courses. Fantastic. Well, stay true means being a good golfer. By being a good golfer, in the end, means being true, having good etiquette, doing the right thing. If you've done something wrong, say it out. Okay, I touched the ball, or I accidentally hit the thing, and mark the true score. And that's what staying true basically relates a lot to life. If you do the right things, and frankly speaking, if you do the right things, you do well in life, and that's what staying true is. 100%. Meaning, I think I started out with Valentine, the T-MAM event in 2008. I've been coming here every year since. Irrespective, commitment, not commitment, I'm a pilot, so I take my leave, and well, I do make it a point to attend the event, and it's good. It's good fun. We meet all kinds of people. It's good fun. All over India, different nationalities. So it's, I think anybody who's a good golfer wants to have fun, wants to go play at courses, wants to have a good event which is organized well. Yes, this is the place to come.
Oh, it was absolutely fabulous. It was very, very well organized. Valentines were excellent hosts, and all of us had a lot of fun. All the golfers really enjoyed themselves, and I hope this association will continue for many, many years to come. And I look forward to playing here again. Most important thing I learned from the game of golf. Well, golf teaches you a lot about the character of a person. You know, it's a sport where you self-regulate. So, you know, there's no one to see what you're scoring and how you're scoring. But you have to be true to yourself. And if a golfer is true to himself on the golf course, he will be true to himself in life. Oh, absolutely. I'm playing this event for the first time. And I got to know about this event from friends. I'm one of the youngest participants for this tournament. And you know, I hope I'll get more friends along who are of the same age group, and you know, who will come and participate in the years to come.
Thank you very much. Well played, guys. So that brings it to an end, the prize presentation. Thank you, Park William. Thank you for all the support from the Ministry of Tourism. I hope you people had a good time. Please continue to enjoy the rest of the evening. We'll here for a little bit more time, and we'll see you soon in time to come. I wish you a good and safe trip back for those of you who are leaving tomorrow, and look forward to catching up with some of the others who are staying back tomorrow. We have some golf planned tomorrow as well.